for some presents? Yeah? And a card? You're just getting camera ready? Yeah? You beautiful now? Yeah? Okay, should we open the presents? Okay, we'll open the card. Yeah. So cute. Would you like it? Mouse, your furry little bum's in the way. Move. Move your little bum. Here you go. Here, treat. Oh, happy Easter. So cute. To Paige, Vic and Mouse, happy Easter with best wishes from Sarah S. Oh, thank you so much, Sarah. And Sarah's got some questions. What breed of cat is Mouse? So Mouse, we believe it is part ragdoll. She has all the same sort of like markings and colourings as a ragdoll breed, but we actually haven't done a DNA test or anything, so that would be quite cool to do. But yeah, we think she's part ragdoll and then probably like domestic long hair, but we're not sure. Where did we get her from? So Mouse was Vic's cat, so he got her when she was a kitten, and he got her from his brother's girlfriend at the time. She'd just had a litter of cats from her cat, so Vic went over and Mouse walked up to him, I think licked his hand and then fell asleep on him, and that was it. She was his, came home with him. Isn't that right? You little softie. And I love your videos and the cat castle that you made for Mouse. She's so cute. Thank you so much, Sarah. That's so kind of you. Thank you so much for sending the card. Can you say thank you to Sarah? Oh, good girl. Didn't even let me finish. Right, should we open this one? It is the Cactus Scratch Mat. Does that smell good? Can you smell the bag of catnip? You can, can't you? So there wasn't a note in this one, but we do know that this is from Christina. So thank you very much, Christina. Can you say thank you to Christina? Oh, good girl, thank you. We'll flatten this out. And I think you're going to love that. Should we open this one? Whee! Shall I open it? There we go, you got some notes. Do you have a look? So these are from Steph. Sorry, Miles, I'm not sure you'll enjoy this, but it's important to take care of your nibblers. Enjoy chatting with your new chimkin friend. Oh, thank you so much, Steph. So we've got a Jolly Moggy little chicken. What's this, Mouse? I did not expect that. Is that funny? And we've got a toothbrush set. So this is suitable for cats and dogs of all sizes, and you've got a toothbrush and some toothpaste. Oh, Mouse is still going for a toy. Amazing. I'm going to definitely give this a go. See how Mouse feels about that. Can you say thank you to Steph for your toy and your toothbrush? Can you say thank you to Steph for your toy and your toothbrush? Oh, good girl. 2 hands. Oh, thank you so much, Steph. You're a very lucky girl, aren't you, Mouse? Thank you to everyone that sent gifts and the card as well. Thank you so much. And we really just appreciate the she's trying to eat the treat. We really appreciate it, but don't ever feel like you have to send gifts. Just watching our videos, liking, subscribing, commenting just really helps us out. We really appreciate that. So you don't need to send gifts, but I do appreciate that people want to. So thank you so much. There you go. High fives to everyone. Good girl.